Hey, if you want to clear browser history on your POCO C65, all you have to do is just to open the settings, then from here scroll down and go into the all apps. Now when you do this, go into the manage apps, and from here you will have to find the browser that you are using. So in this phone we can find actually a lot of different browsers like Bing, Edge, Chrome, Opera or Mi browser. Let's say that I want to do this for the Google Chrome, so I have to open it, and then from here now I have to go into the data, into the storage, and here I can click to clear data. I can clear cache or manage space like this. So as you can see here, I've got the information that I can clear all stored data like sites with no saved settings, or all data stored by sites including cookies, or simply use it, the total data used by Chrome including accounts, bookmarks and saved settings. So you can decide what you want to remove, and that's basically it. You can also clear the cache, and now when you open your browser it will be running without the previously history. Right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.